Kitchen. Today I will make a video about how to make tomato beef stew. If you are interested about it, please do it with me. Here are the ingredients we need. It is in order to separate blood in beef out, because we need to highlight the flavor of beef. The smell of blood will hinder it. Do like this because the cold water will make the peeling easier. We added the sugar, it makes the meat more tender. I added some cooking wine because the beef was frozen, so I need to remove all the rest some wine. If your meat is fresh, you don't need to do that. The burnt onion has a strong flavor while being stewed, so be patient and stir frying the onion until it looks like this. In Japanese cuisine, it is called toshibuta. It reduces the space of steam circulation, which makes stew more flavor. Garlic releases strong flavor at high heat, so please make sure you stew in high heat before putting the garlic. Thanks for watching. If my video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Next time I will make another video about how to make cheesecake without baking. See you next time!